Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're petite and struggling with fashion choices that make you look shorter than you actually are, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering some of the biggest petite fashion mistakes that could be shrinking your height visually. And more importantly, I'll show you how to fix them instantly. From pants to shoes, layering to accessories, every detail matters when it comes to elongating your silhouette and creating a taller, more proportionate look. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive right in. Number 1. Wearing oversized and boxy clothes. Oversized fashion has been trending for years, but if you're petite, drowning in fabric can make you look even smaller. Boxy silhouettes, shapeless dresses, and baggy tops might be comfortable, but they remove all definition from your body, making you appear shorter and wider than you actually are. Instead, opt for well-tailored and structured pieces. If you love relaxed fits, balance them out. Wear a fitted top with wide-leg trousers or jeans, or a cropped structured cardigan or jacket with high-waisted bottoms. Defining your waistline is key to elongating your figure. And here's a golden tip. Opt for vertical seam details, darts, or structured waistlines to create the illusion of length. Avoid bulky fabrics that add unnecessary volume, and instead, stick to lighter, more flowy materials that drape naturally over your body. Number 2. The wrong pant length. One of the biggest mistakes petite women make is choosing the wrong pant length. Pants that bunch up at the ankle or cut off at an awkward spot can visually shorten your legs and throw off your proportions. For petites, high-waisted, full-length trousers are your best friend. They visually extend your legs and create a smooth, elongated silhouette. If you prefer cropped styles, make sure the hem hits right above the ankle bone. Any shorter, and it can make your legs appear stubbier. Well-fitted, ankle-grazing pants help maintain a sleek and continuous leg line. Flared leg trousers are another great option, as the slight flare at the bottom creates a lengthening effect, making your legs appear longer and more balanced. And let's talk about wide-leg trousers. When styled correctly, they add length rather than bulk. Opt for structured fabrics that drape well, and pair them with a fitted top or tucked-in blouse to highlight your waist. Choosing shoes with a pointed toe or a slight heel will further enhance the elongating effect, making your legs appear longer and more refined. Number 3. Wearing long, untucked tops. A common styling mistake for petites is wearing long, untucked tops that visually shorten the legs and create a shapeless silhouette. When tops extend too far past the hips, they throw off body proportions, making the legs appear shorter than they actually are. To fix this, always consider tucking in your shirts, blouses, or lightweight sweaters to define the waistline and create a more balanced shape. A simple front tuck or full tuck can instantly enhance your proportions by highlighting your waist and extending the appearance of your legs. For added structure, layer with a cropped jacket, fitted cardigan, or a well-tailored blazer. These pieces help refine the silhouette while drawing the eye upward, making you appear taller. Alternatively, you can choose form-fitting tops that naturally contour your shape without adding bulk. Whether you prefer a sleek, tucked-in look or a well-proportioned, fitted style, focusing on waist definition is key to achieving a taller, more elongated figure. Number 4. Wearing bulky footwear. Shoes play a significant role in how tall and proportionate you appear. Bulky sneakers, chunky loafers, and ankle straps can visually cut off your leg line, making your legs look shorter and disrupting an otherwise sleek outfit. The wrong footwear choice can weigh down your frame, creating a heavier look rather than a streamlined one. To achieve a longer, leaner appearance, opt for pointed-toe shoes. These create the illusion of an elongated foot, naturally extending your legs and making you appear taller. Nude or skin tone heels are another great option, as they seamlessly blend with your legs, creating a continuous line that adds height. Kitten heels are a practical alternative to high heels, providing both elegance and comfort while still offering a subtle lift. If you prefer flats, refined loafers with a structured silhouette can add polish to your look without cutting off your proportions. For sneaker lovers, steer clear of overly chunky designs with high-contrast color blocking. Instead, choose sleek, minimal sneakers in neutral shades that blend well with your outfit. The key is to keep the line of your legs uninterrupted, ensuring a more balanced and elongated silhouette. Number 5. Choosing the wrong belt placement. Belts are a great way to define your waist and enhance your proportions, but using them incorrectly can do more harm than good, especially for petite women. For petites, high-waisted belt placements are the most flattering. Belting at or just above your natural waistline helps create the illusion of longer legs and a well-proportioned figure. Low-slung belts that sit on the hips should be avoided, as they can cut off your height and make your torso appear longer than your legs. When choosing a belt, avoid thick, oversized designs and large statement buckles that can overwhelm your frame. Instead, opt for thinner or medium-width belts that complement your outfit without drawing too much attention. Neutral-toned belts, or those in a shade similar to your outfit, will help maintain a seamless and elongated look. The goal is to enhance your shape while keeping the look refined and well-proportioned. Number 6. Ignoring monochrome styling. Dressing in a single color from head to toe is one of the most effective ways to create a long, streamlined silhouette. Monochrome outfits eliminate harsh visual breaks, making your body appear more elongated and proportional. The key to mastering monochrome is to focus on neutral tones and harmonious color pairings. Shades like beige, white, gray, and black create a refined and elongated look. While pairing similar hues within the same color, family maintains a cohesive and polished effect. Instead of harsh contrasts, opt for subtle tonal variations that enhance your outfit without breaking up the silhouette. To add dimension and prevent the look from feeling flat, experiment with different fabrics and finishes. Mixing materials like wool, satin, or leather within the same color, family adds depth while maintaining a cohesive appearance. Whether you opt for a tailored suit, a knit cord set, or a sleek tonal ensemble, monochrome dressing is an easy way to elevate your style while visually lengthening your frame. Number 7. Wearing oversized bags. Carrying an oversized, unstructured bag can easily overwhelm a petite frame, making you appear smaller and throwing off your overall proportions. A large, slouchy tote or an extra-wide hobo bag may feel practical, but it can create an unbalanced look that takes attention away from your outfit. Instead, opt for medium or small-sized bags with a structured design. Minimalist top handle bags, sleek shoulder bags, and compact crossbody styles complement petite figures without looking overpowering. If you need a larger bag for daily essentials, go for structured totes with clean lines rather than slouchy, oversized designs. A well-defined shape ensures the bag enhances your look rather than overwhelming it. The important thing is that the size and structure of your bag complement your body proportions. This way, you can achieve a refined and well-proportioned look. And there you have it, some of the biggest petite fashion mistakes and how to fix them instantly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more style tips. Until next time, stay confident, stay stylish, and always dress to feel your best.